Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on Skin by LH. I have the box right here and it's going to be like a first impressions video. And yeah, so before we get into this video, make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys have your post notifications on so you're in tune every time that I post a new video. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. So this is how the box came. And I just got it, I think today. Yeah, I came in today. And this is how the box looks. It's just a regular box. I like how it has like the packaging colors on the outside. It's really nice. And here goes the inside. So I got the five-step kit. And right when you open it, it just says you're one step closer to better skin. And these are the 5 products. And honestly, I like them. Like, I'm opening a box and I'm getting like the full experience. It's just so cute. So anyway, let's just get into this review. Do my face routine. So this is gonna be like my nighttime routine because I'm about to go to bed. So let's go ahead and start. So every night, so I'm gonna add this into the video just because this is what I do every night with my hair. And if we're doing skincare, you might as well take care of your hair too. So I've been using the Motherland Textures hair growth oil, and I really like this oil. It really has been helping my hair. Like during COVID, my hair was going through it, but now it's much fuller and thicker, and I've seen a huge difference. So I've also been using their scrunchies and their bonnets. So we're gonna go ahead and just put my hair up and just go ahead. Okay, so I just put my hair up into a pineapple. And I did use my Motherland Textures hair growth oil. I'm gonna have that linked in the bio below. And I also used their satin scrunchie. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start the video. So we're gonna go ahead and use the step 1, which is the Goji Berry Cleanser. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I just finished doing step 1, and it says to apply and then rinse with water and then pat skin to dry. And I always pat my skin to dry just because you never want to tug at your skin. It's just gonna make you have more wrinkles, and it's just not good for your skin. So you want to pat dry. And then yeah, so my review of the Goji Berry Cleanser is it's really nice. Like, it doesn't really have a really strong scent, and it reminds me of the cleanser that I'm kind of using now, just like because it doesn't foam. Because I don't like cleansers that foam up. It just like, I feel like it strips away my skin, and especially because I have sensitive skin. So I really like the cleanser. It smells really good too. It's like a clean scent. And now I'm gonna do step 2, which is, okay, so this is step 2. This is the white tea toner. And the directions say, after cleansing and before applying your serum moisturizer, spray directly over face and neck. And for optimal results, follow with your vitamin C serum. So I like to add my toners with a cotton round. So I'm just gonna spray. As far as the toner, I think I like the spray on the toner because my traditional toner is usually just like a with my cotton round. So the spray really like the spray nozzle really helps like distribute it evenly. So I like the toner. It also doesn't really have a strong scent to it, so yeah. Okay, then it says to apply the vitamin C serum, which is step 3. I'm just gonna go ahead and take and the directions just say on cleansed dry skin, apply a small amount of the serum on face, neck, and fingertips. For optimal results, follow within the cream. Okay. So this is how my skin looks right now with the vitamin C cream serum. So just with that serum, my skin is already like glowing, period. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and do step 4. And step 4 is the Peptide Eye Cream. And it says to gently pat around eye area and follow with the moisturizer. So, okay, so we did step 3, step 4. And I'm just gonna apply this to my finger. Just gently apply it. So my review of the peptide cream is like, it's really gentle when you put it on your under eyes. So I think I'm gonna like the under eye cream. And then the last step is step number 5, which is the niacinamide cream. And you want to apply it with the little spoon that comes with it. Just applying my niacinamide cream, and this is how my skin looks. Super glowy. With my personal routine, I like to add a sunscreen over top of everything that I just did, because it's really important to have a really good sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen that I use. It's the Supergoop Play. Yes, it's a big one, big bottle, because you want to make sure you're always wearing sunscreen. That's just going to help with preventing wrinkles and everything. But as far as the skin-by-LH, I really like all of these products just off of first impressions. I think she really took her time when she came out with these products, just because with the cleanser, I really like how it doesn't foam up when you use it. That really strips your skin when you have a cleanser that's foaming up when you apply it to your skin. And I also really like having cleansers that don't foam up, just because my skin is super sensitive. So, and I also like the scents of all of these products. It's not really strong and it's very clean scented. So if you guys want to go ahead and try out all of these products, I'm going to leave a link in the bio down below, and you guys go check it out. I think they are currently out of stock right now of all of the products, but I think they're going to be having a restock pretty soon, so you guys go check that out. But yeah, and I'm about to go head to bed, so I'm going to go ahead and put my satin bonnet for Motherland Textures on, and I'm going to check you guys out in my next video. Yes, this is the bonnet. It's an oversized bonnet from Motherland Textures. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys have your post notifications on so you guys are in tune every time I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, check out all my other videos on this channel too. Bye.